All right, guys, we've been getting a lot of questions on how to actually place an order and pay with Bitcoin. So I'm going to run you through it real quick and show you just how easy it is. So we're just going to come down here. You see all the different, you know, offers or deals that you can come in on. They're down here as well. Some of them are anyway, not the test packages. So for this purpose, it doesn't really matter. I'm going to click here. And it says enter your wallet address to send payouts to. This is going to be your Bitcoin payment address, so we can send you your Bitcoin payment every month. And to get this, we recommend using Coinbase. So what you're going to do is log into your Coinbase account. If you don't have one, you need to sign up and get one. And once you log in, you're going to see this screen right here, and you're going to go to Tools. And once you upload your ID for verification, you're going to see your address, and you simply would, copy that. And where were we at? I don't remember exactly where we were. Okay. I don't know what happened to that window. Okay. And you just paste it right there. Add to your cart. And you'll see it's here, and just complete the checkout procedure. If you don't have an account, you'll have to create one. Name, pretty typical, address, email, password. So let's just log in. I already have an account here, password, and we're going to log in. And there's no special instructions. You'll just continue to check out. And you're just going to confirm the order, okay? And then you'll be taken to this page right here. Make sure everything's correct. And now you're going to click on the coin that you want to pay with. Bitcoin is this one, BTC, the most popular for sure. But we do accept Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ether. So let's just go with Bitcoin. Complete checkout. And you'll be taken to this page right here. And you'll notice, excuse me, it shows the address to send your payment to and the time left to send it. It's showing you have 6.5 hours. I've seen it sometimes say 2.5 hours. It just depends. It gives you a few hours. So, and you see it says make sure to send enough to cover any coin transaction fees. So what that is like at Coinbase, they have a miner fee. They all do. It's real cheap. It's usually less than $1. I know on $500, I did one earlier. It's like 77 cents. It's not a big deal. And it will show you that on your Coinbase account when you go to checkout, and I'll show you that. So right here, let's just copy and paste this address, okay? And we're going to go back to Coinbase, okay? I didn't mean to click accounts. Actually, yes, I did. Okay, so we're going to send. We're going to paste that address that we were given over here. Okay, and you can just put in US dollar, $100 equals. It shows you how much in Bitcoin that is. Okay, so okay, so what you're going to do at this point is click continue, and you see it shows you miner fee right here. It's 78 cents. Okay, and so it's going to ask for a two-step verification sent to your text message on your phone. This is all stuff that you set up when you open your Coinbase account. And so the code they sent me is going to be 2175. Let's see what I'm doing. 2175275. Okay. And now we're going to confirm that order. and that's it. It's really that easy. Um, it shows I sent 101.03, so it cost me $1.03 for the fees. It's not that big a deal, and it's something we have no control over. Um, it is what it is. Coinbase doesn't get that payment, and they explain that to you on their site. Um, you know, it just kind of it is what it is. There's no avoiding that fee. So you're done. It says pending, and what'll happen is you'll get an email confirmation where you have to verify and all of that kind of good stuff, and just kind of confirm it, and and you'll be on your way. And so what'll happen is we get your payment, and after we get your payment, we'll confirm your order, we'll process it, and the process is just reverse at the end of the or next month when your payment's due. We'll send from Coinbase to your address, the Bitcoin that whatever level you came in at. We'll send whatever you're owed every month to your wallet, and from here, you can cash it out. Just like to your bank. You'll enter your bank details in your account, and you can send it straight to your bank, and it'll be deposited within a couple of days. So it's that easy. So there's really no reason for it to be confusing. Just follow those steps, and you'll be on your way. So we look forward to seeing you inside and getting on board. Thanks.